Hello there, welcome to my one and only video. In this video, we are going to learn how to import the point from Excel sheet to AutoCAD with the help of SW DTM software. First of all, we have to prepare the Excel file. Is the first, it's like this. In the first column, serial number, second column, string as a x, and third column nothing as a y, and the fourth column the elevation is a z, and the last fifth column is as a remark. Then open, then go to the AutoCAD. In AutoCAD you have to open the new drawing and fix unit. Unit. Unit is a Excel sheet. If you have Excel sheet, this all the value is an mm. That's why we have to select the unit as a mm and OK. And then go to the Excel sheet and select the point, all the points you have to be imported in AutoCAD like this, and go to the AutoCAD and launch SW DTM and go to the point and click the point, and there the second option import from the Excel sheet, and here the small dialog box has been opened, and here the point level size, that is the size of your points, and the two tick mark options. The first one is use remark as a layer. When you tick mark this, then the remark is a layer, set as a layer in AutoCAD. And the third one, the second tick mark is do not write the remark and elevation. If you tick mark this, your remark and the elevations, your remark and elevations has not shown. Okay, just import this point. The point has been imported in AutoCAD but not showing. So what we have to do, we have to here press Z, enter, enter. Okay, this our value has been shown here, but the size is too small. For what we have to do, just delete it. Again, we have already selected our Excel sheet files. No need to select, just go to the point and Excel sheet file. You have to increase this size. Okay, import has been imported but not showing. What we have to do, press Z, enter, enter, zoom to extent. Okay, this all value has been shown. Like this, you have to import any points from the Excel's format, nothing listing coordinates in a AutoCAD. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this video helpful for you.